What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am really excited about this. The PRO+AQUA water softening system for my mobile detail business. So here in Texas and probably anywhere, the tap water that comes out of your house, your faucet, is really mineralized, just with a plethora of minerals, and this machine here takes all of that out. And the reason why that's important for detailing outside, especially in the sun, it's here in Texas, it's 100+ degrees. So like when you're on any sort of vehicle, but definitely like a black vehicle, the sun is just baking on it. And so if you don't dry the water in time, it creates water spots on the paint and also the windows. And this machine here enables that to happen. And so it takes all the minerals out of the water that's very mineralized, and so the black vehicle in the sunlight can actually dry without even having to put a towel to it, just from the heat, but it won't create water spots. So you have a clean wash and dry cycle every time. So I am so excited to hook this thing up. So let's unbox it. It's also a whole lot heavier than I thought, but this will be fun. I'm gonna lay it on its side there, see the size of it. I'm on my trailer right now, so. Oh yeah, look at this thing. This thing, woo. Let's unwrap this bad boy here. Feel like Christmas. This thing, cool. So it's like, it's got like a rubber coat around it. Here it has a zipper, so you can unzip it and get to it, but it's very insulated. It's very like, that's in there good. And then here you have your normal hose spout, and then on this side you have where you also put the other end of the water hose. So the in and then the out is over here. And then this comes with, get the logo around there. This comes with this blue hose here. Nice little mini water hose. So this, I assume, attaches to this, and this can go into the water tank. So there's the blue hose it comes with, and then, oh cool. All right, it comes with all these attachments. It comes with this garden hose thing, so got a little nice thing there. You can turn it on and then open it. And you have two spouts for this one, so cool. So you have a double spout there, so two right there, and then you have the garden hose connector. This will be really, really handy. And then it comes with all these handy dandy attachments. So you got double-sided attachment there. Comes with this and a quick connect nozzle that is super, super helpful. And then it comes with Sweet. Also comes with another quick connect. So the hose turn on, and then the quick connect on this side. That came in this little thing right there. And then, just another foam thing to keep it all nice in place. Got the owner's manual. The most important thing to this whole setup. So the owner's manual. 16,000 grain capacity. I'm not sure what the grain is here, the water here locally in my town, but it sounds like a lot. So here's all the instructions. So it just kind of tells how to hook up the water supply. And so the water supply, so I'll have a hose coming from my other water tank, like my water tank. And then this guy will connect to the out portion. So this is like connected, like it's not coming apart. And so this connects to the out portion. And it's the same on both sides. So just twist it on here. And then the out nozzle, and then to the drain. And then the end nozzle will be there where this hose connects. Put everything back in the box just to secure it. So here is the blue hose. So I assume it just, let me undo this thing here. So this one. So garden hose would go to the out portion of this. So the garden hose where, take the other end of the hose to your in port to the recreational vehicle. So this would go This is screw on here like that. You'll screw your quick connect into here. And you can just easily quick connect it. So it's just connected on with quick connect. And then your garden hose, which is where my water tank will be, and then this will be hooked up to the pressure washer. My Ryobi 1900 PSI. There also is a regeneration kit I could have got. It's optional, or like a pre-filter. But I think it'll be okay. Okay. Okay, now I just gotta let this filter, so this is the out portion, so this would be the other end of this, would be connected to the water supply, so like a water hose. And you just kinda gotta let it filter in there. So there is the PRO+AQUA water softener, and when I get it all hooked up, the water tank, the pressure washer, this, I will demonstrate it on a car and show you what this thing can do in preventing water spots in the direct sunlight. So this is a very important tool in detailing in mobile, because you're outside, you're on the elements, and this will help make those details go a lot smoother and a lot quicker, because you can just dry the water off and not have to worry about going back and correcting water spots on the windows or the paint. So definitely a important tool. It's not cheap, but if you can get it, I would definitely recommend it. And there's a lot of smaller versions in this big thing, but on this trailer here, I feel like this is like the most sturdy, and I can really like anchor it in. So I'll give you an update on that when that happens. But thank you so much for watching the video.